Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So my name is Shraddha Singh. How are you all? How was your day? So today we are going to create one trampoline. So this is like your animation. Okay. So for that what I will do, I will run this. I will show you. Okay. See.
Whee!
So you will get animation here. Okay.
She was 19 with a baby on the way. On the east side of the
So
city,
this
she
is
was
it.
working every day, cleaning dishes in the evening. She could barely stay awake.
So you will get this animation. So how we will create this animation? So this is like your mini project. You have to create this animation. I will explain you each and everything here. So first thing, we want one backdrop. So this is our backdrop. So if you want, you can create any other backdrop also. If you don't like this backdrop, so you can create your own backdrops. Okay. Backdrop means background. So as you can see, this is our background. Even whatever background you want, you can create. Okay. How you will create your backdrop, that is very easy. You need to just click here. If you want how you will create your backdrop, you can see our previous videos. Okay. In that you will get that. You need to just click here, click on your paint option, and whatever you want you can draw here. So this is our backdrop. After that, we will see all our sprites. So here we have four sprites. So this is our first sprite. Here we have our trampoline word, and we have this character. Okay. So you can draw this. After that, we have our second sprite. So here we have animation. So you need to create this. So here we need to add first trampoline and that character here. After that, we want that character little bit down. Then in third costume, that is down. This is our fourth one. Then fifth one. Okay. After that, we want the next costume six, seven. So here you will get trampoline. So this we have to create. Okay. Then up, up, up. Because we want jump from here to here, again here to here. So that is very simple. Like we have to just change the costume. Okay. So again we want here, then little bit right arrow, then see. So this all are our costumes. We have to create this costume. Okay. Then this is just an animation. After that, we have our sprite 3, which is this one. So this is very simple. You can create this one also. And this is our sprite 4. Okay. So we need to add all these sprites. So now we will start our coding part. In our sprite 1, what we have, like when flag is clicked. So we want our effect to be 100, and it will show, it will go to your front layer, because if you will see our backdrop and our sprite one, that is almost same. So that's why we want this as a front layer. Okay. This is very simple. Like when flag is clicked, we want forever. Forever means if you want anything continuously again and again, so for that we are taking this forever. Okay. Then we have our sprite 2. Sprite 2 means how you will move from here to here. Okay, so this is our sprite 2. So how we will do that? Okay, so first thing, when flag is clicked, we want to switch the costume.
Whee!
Okay, so here we have some costume. So we want the first costume. Initially, we want the first costume. We have to wait for some second, and it will repeat 15 times, because we have total 15 costume, if you will see. Okay, so we want to repeat that 15 times, and we will take our next costume. What we will take here, we will take our next costume. After that, if you want, you can record one sound like e. So this is our sound. How you
Whee!
will record any sound? how you will record any sound? You need to just click on sound tab. You have to just click here and click on record. Instead of E, if you want any other sound, even you can record that. Okay. After that, what we want to first go upside and then we want to come to the downside, right? For that, we have total 8 costume. So we will repeat that 8 times and we will take our next costume. Then we will start our slap sound, which is this. Then
Wee!
after repeating 8 times, you will get your slap sound. Okay. Then what we want here, again we want to
She
switch
was
our
19
costume
with a baby on the
25.
way on the
Okay. So this is our costume number 25, which is the last one. Okay. This one, like after slapping, you will get these 2 costumes. So you have to wait for some time, then you will broadcast one message, and this message we will receive in any other sprite. Okay. So this we have to do for our sprite too. Okay. You have to complete this project. You have to give me the link in your comment section and I will see that. Okay. After that, this is our sprite 3. Sprite 3 means this one. Okay. So when flag is clicked, initially we want to hide that. Okay. After some time, we will show that. So in the forever, what we want, what is our x-axis here? That is, we used to take a timer. Okay, because see here, initially you will get that,
Wee!
then you will slap, and then you will get your third one, third sprite. Okay, after this animation,
She was 19
after
with a
that,
baby on the
see
way
this.
on the east side of the city. She was
So how you will get that animation with the help of your timer. And here we broadcasted one message, which is your message one, right? So once you will receive that message one inside our sprite 3, we want to show that and we want to go to the front layer. Okay. Then what we have to do for our sprite 4. So sprite 4 is this one, which is dancing, right? So here again, when flag is clicked, we want to hide and then we in the forever we want to show. Now we want our y-axis. So always you have to remember this. The stage area is divided into 2 parts. This is our x-axis and this one is our y-axis. X means if you want to move anything here and here, left and right. So for that you need to take your x-axis. If you want to move anything up and down, so for that we have our y-axis. Okay, always you have to remember this. And once you will receive your message one, we want to play this sound if we have each other. So instead of this sound, if you want, you can add any other sound also, which is your favorite one. You can add that. And when you will receive your message, you can go to your front layer. So this is all about our animation, like how we can create any animation. Instead of this animation, if you want to create any other animation, in this way you can create your other animations also. Okay, so please create this project and give me your project link into the comment section. How you will share your project link? You need to just click on your share button and you need to just click on copy and you can copy this link and you have to share this copy link like a link into your comment section. Okay, so in this way we can create any animation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. You can share this link with your family member, with your friends, so they can also learn the coding. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.